So I'm about mile 5 on an 8-mile run. And when I do my long runs, I like to run at about 75% of my max heart rate. But today it's been super easy. I've been running 70 to 75% and running at about the same amount of effort I normally do a long run at. So why is that? Well, I think there's one of two possibilities. The first one is it's Eclipse day here in Southwest Ohio, and the magic of the eclipse is just making me a stronger and powerful runner, or sleep. Welcome to the Ageless Runner. I'm Ralph. Well, rest assured, the eclipse is not making me a stronger and powerful runner, but I do think it's sleep. I got 7.5 hours of sleep last night. That's a lot for me. I typically get 6 to 6.5, and I think it just illustrates the power of a good night's sleep. You know, we get that deep sleep, we get that restorative sleep. It helps our body rest, helps our muscles recover, and just goes a long ways to making us stronger and more powerful runners. You know, the frustrating part for me, and maybe for you, is I have no clue why I got 7.5. It may be that, you know, my 11-year-old twin grandkids spent the weekend with us, and I was just so tired last night that I just slept better. So I think the message here is whatever you can do the night or nights leading up to a long run or a long race, do what you can to get a good night's sleep. It's going to be such a benefit to you when you get in and do that run or do that race. It's going to make you a better, more stronger, powerful runner. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit that like icon. And if you're new here, please also subscribe. Thank you so much and happy running.